patented heat treating process inhibits rust. Superior heat retention and even cooking. Can be pre-chilled to serve cold dishes. Seasoned for a natural, easy-release finish. Made in the USA. Continuing the tradition of innovation and quality, Lodge introduces the new heat-enhanced and seasoned cast iron. Lodge's premium iron is taken through a patented heat treating process that inhibits rust growth, keeping your cookware maintenance worry-free. Use the 5-inch mini skillet to create the perfect appetizer, dessert, sauce or specialty entree. With graceful rolled edges and curved lines, the Lodge Mini Tableware offers a new design in cast iron cookware. Use as a serving dish to deliver delicious appetizers hot out of the oven. Or chill the cast iron server in the refrigerator to keep foods cold and fresh while being served. And like our cast iron cookware, this pan is seasoned at the Foundry with our proprietary vegetable oil formula, providing an easy-release oil finish that improves with use. Cast iron is unparalleled in heat retention and even heating. For use at home in the oven, on the stove, on the grill or over the campfire. Cleaning is easy, simply hand wash, dry and rub with cooking oil. Made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. A forever pan. In all honesty, I returned the pan because it was smaller than I had wanted. Because it rated 5 stars in my book, I went ahead and ordered the larger pan, the 9 I believe it is. Even though one returned, both are stellar cookware. They will last forever. I am still learning about the pre-seasoned character, and will have to figure out whether or not I like it versus the old style which I have used for 25 or so years. The old style is smooth to the touch where the pre-seasoned is a little bumpy, and I don't know if it will lend itself to cooking, for instance, a fried egg without breaking the yolk. So far, the egg sticks, where it doesn't in the old style. Apparently, even though washing the new pan clean, there must be some kind of buildup of oil to create a smooth surface for items you don't want to stick to the pan. Anyway, time will tell.